I think we're recording. What's up, guys? Dougal JVR here. Today we're going to be doing the parkour thingy. Yay!
So.
Oh yeah, we have this camera mod. Hold up. Let me just put it on this right here. Okay, we're good. I think this looks fine. I don't know. I have grabbables on, so he can just
Hi guys.
take it.
Hello.
Oh my god, this looks so funny. Okay.
Alright.
Let's get ourselves some. Hold up. Are you
I
filming
will be
me?
the camera. I'll
Are
be
you
the
filming
cameraman.
me?
Trust.
Are you gonna
I'll
film
be a
me?
good cameraman. Yeah, I'll
This is
film
so funny. Alright, we're gonna get some gadgets. I don't know if we can still use these.
some
But we can always
doohickeys
try.
and gizmos. Give me a wait. Can we use saddles? Wait.
Alright, I'll be right back. I'll tell you if it works or not. I bet it doesn't, so.
I'm cooler than him. He's lame. Yo. You need to get the camera because I need my hoverboards and I can't grab it. What?
Alright. There it is. I'll only use one hoverboard and just carry this. Alright. Let's go! Oh, I'm so heavy. For this part, I'm just gonna use the, you stay right there. I'm gonna
Follow.
do this really quick. Okay, that's better. So now I can just fly up here. And by the way, there's speedrun record of 2 minutes and 2 seconds by one of these guys. Like, what a sweat, man. Bill? Okay, there you
Get
go.
off the game.
Yeah, like actually. Alrighty. This
Please
should
get
be
a
easy
job.
with our hoverboards.
Please get a job.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. I see you. You may not be able to see him on the screen you're watching, but he just fell. Yeah, but this is just gonna be easier for me.
Hello?
Where'd you go? Where are you? Oh, he's in Indiana Jones. Right. I'm coming, bud. Oh!
What's happening?
I made it. We're good. Wait. We gotta do what the guy did. He went through over here.
Yeah.
Right.
It just like goes up. I think it might be on the other side.
Yeah, it might be. Ah!
No, not over there, over here.
Ryan! 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 Ryan!
I hear you normally and ghost.
You do? How? Why are you resonating this fight?
Oh.
Run!
Alright, let's go. Wait. No. Just wait.
I stepped out my boundary.
Go!
Yeah.
Alrighty. We may be a little late to this video, but that's because we forgot about it.
Yeah. We made a video on it before, but it was not good.
Yeah.
Holy Johnson.
Ryan! 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 Ryan. 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 Ryan.
On today's episode of Ghostbusters, we have the ghost who only says bread.
I'll respawn if you don't revive it, man. I will
I'm
respawn.
falling!
No, it will auto respawn. I'm not kidding.
Bread.
Wait. Okay, we're good. We're good. Hello. Remember, guys, don't attempt this at home in real life, because you can take fall damage.
Really?
In fact, it's not a you can, it's a you will.
You don't know it, okay. Uh-oh. Zoinks!
Ah! Ah! No! Clutch! Top 10 Fortnite clutches. And dude, it's so weird because it's echoing. Can you hear the echo?
Yeah. Whenever you were a ghost, and like it sounded normal too.
That's crazy.
There
Alright,
we
so
go.
that's all the level right there. What he's showing you. And it's just like but it's a weird space thing, so yeah. And okay.
Wow!
You will subscribe! You will subscribe! Okay, let's go.
Let's get out of here!
Oh. 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 I'm almost there. Oh. I'm coming. Ah! Top 10 Fortnite clutches! Yes! Alright, so we've beaten this before, but what happens when you beat it is you get a cool cosmetic, and I think it's 1 or 2 research points and some company coins. I'm pretty sure it's
We'll
500.
show you the cosmetic at the end.
Oh yeah, he's wearing the cosmetic.
Oh, I am?
It's not the egg. Yeah, you're wearing
Oh
the
yeah, I
sunshine.
forgot.
Oh, we're making it out. Yes. Don't die on me, Brian. Don't die on me. Oh.
Bro, ow! I didn't know that existed.
Yeah, I
Stay
didn't
in
know
the
that.
trenches.
I don't know where the camera went, but it was in some weird black place. So, oh, yeah. So, when you push this button, you get nuts. And you get the journey back home.
Yeah, let me...
Wait.
Let's record this
yours
again. Let's go.
We made it in 7 minutes and 75 seconds.
7 minutes,
I'm pretty sure it's 20 at
7
the
minutes,
time.
75 seconds.
Or for me, it's 7:58. Sorry, that didn't sound right at all.
75. All right, let's head out. Bye,
Like and
guys.
subscribe. We're doing it.